What is going on, guys? It is a lovely day outside and we're gonna go drifting.
It's been a good day. What video are you gonna post first, this one or the other one? I'm not gonna say what the other one is. You know what the other one is, what I filmed earlier.
Filmed earlier?
That one will be probably first, I don't know.
That'll be first? Okay.
I don't know.
Then they already
What the fuck are you talking about?
They already know.
What are you talking about?
The turbo kit.
Oh! Corey's FRS turbo kit. He just picked that up. No, that one's not gonna get posted first. So, we're gonna be turboing his FRS. Stay tuned. But, let's go drifting. All right, like I was saying, it's a lovely day. We got Grant's 318i that you saw break a few times. And then we got this. It should be fine to drive, I think. It's got a cold air intake.
Really?
The coldest air intake. Power! And yeah, let's go. And I got big tires for good grip because that's how that works.
I have a fire extinguisher.
And he's got a fire extinguisher because, you know, currently we're worried about, you know,
wildfires and Smokey the Bear. We can't let Smokey the Bear down.
Yep. And then maybe I'll, you know, do a little spinny in this one because I got downforce. And then maybe Corey will, you know, put his downforce to work.
I'm actually driving the 4Runner to pull you guys out when you get stuck.
Oh.
Stuck? I don't know that name.
What's happening, Matt?
I don't know why everybody's freaking out. Like, we're just going driving. Like, I'm just driving my car. It's a sunny day, taking my car out. Chill.
It's balmy out. It's balmy. You ain't seen this? This is what I live for. This is balmy, bro. This is like the tropics. God. Ignorant.
You ignorant.
I'm ignorant like a lighter, yeah.
We haven't figured it out yet. We usually don't figure things out. Well, that was anticlimactic.
Hello.
You're so lucky.
I know, dude. He drove past me, and I pulled out of the S-turn. I pulled out of the S-turn, back into Taco John's, and then I went back north. And I was like, no, 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 no.
You saw the cop though?
Yeah, he drove right in front of me, and like, he didn't touch his brakes, but I don't know if he saw me or not, but like, how could you not see me?
I don't know.
You blend in, it's the snow camo. Yo, when Corey and I went...
Also, I got no video, because look at it.
I got you.
I did that like 20 feet ago.
I was pissed you missed that one, because I did fucking good, and I almost hit a car.
That's not good.
But I saved it, so it is good.
Anyways.
Go rub some downies in the fucking parking.
Yeah, go ahead of me.
I'll go over here.
Yeah, go park.
I'm not getting out of my fucking 4Runner. We got perfect video spot. Granted, you hit my car. You fucked it up, Grant! Grant is terrifying to watch in a parking lot, by the way.
Right?
It's fucking... I was like, dude, I swear to God, if he hits my FRS, I'm gonna burn his car down.
As I was doing donuts, I was looking back to see if he was coming close to my truck. I was like...
He got close to it.
Oh, yeah, I know.
It's on video.
No, those tires don't want to fucking see.
Dude, I can do donuts in that bitch.
I never said I couldn't do fucking donuts.
Well, no, it's because your rear tires are a lot better for snow than your fronts, so your rear is out gripped.
Yeah.
Can I do donuts in your car?
No.
Why not?
I offered you earlier and you said no.
Well, I'm taking that opportunity now.
You have an FRS.
I'll trade you this video camera that's recording.
Corey, it's your fucking turn.
For what? The FRS?
Yeah.
No, I'd have to clean the snow off it. I'd have to let it warm up. Your car's already warm though.
Fucking coward.
You won't even let me do. You won't even let me do donuts.
Pussy.
I've already done donuts in the parking lot before. It's on video.
Pussy.
We got video of it, and we got video of donuts at Dunkin'.
Okay.
Plenty of donut videos.
Okay, we'll get more.
Well, let me do it in your Beamer.
No.
Let me do it in your Beamer, and then we'll edit it out that you're driving.
No.
Yeah. Let me do it.
No.
Come on. Come on.
No.
Come on. Grant.
No means no, Corey.
All right, I'm gonna stop the video, and the next clip is gonna be me doing donuts in Grant's car.
No, brother.
All right, we convinced Grant to let Corey
I hate my life.
do donuts, and now I guess Corey's gonna
Start all the way.
Corey's gonna do donuts. Grant, you got your whole own video.
Huh?
You got a whole video about your car.
Yeah, but not donuts.
I did donuts in the video about your car, and then I broke it.
Also, one of my headlights went out again.
Yeah, no, I saw that earlier. I was like, that's how I spotted you. Damn, he almost rear-ended his own car.
That would have been awful.
Corey would have gotten mad at you for that.
Well, that sucks.
Do donuts, Corey. You're in it to win it now. I wonder if he's gonna be able to do it. We'll see. Let her rip, tater chip. Oh, there we go. Oh, the door opened, the big flex. Yee!
Can we stand here?
I mean, if he hits us, he hits the building, both of which is bad.
No,
Nope.
no, no.
You didn't listen.
You didn't listen. Cut the wheel all the way. Come right over here.
My hand is cold. My hand is cold.
Cut it and hold it, clutch.
There we go.
fucking do it.
All right, let's go. My hammy is cold. All right, that was fucking sick. I love that. And also the R888s on the BMW did way too well. They did way better. Hold on, I gotta hold this camera. I might drop it. I'm wearing a mitten because I like mittens versus gloves. But yeah, those R888s did way better than I thought they were going to on the BMW kart. And I mean, I think I should throw some snow tires on the BMW kart and really let it rip.
Snow tire would be a ripper.
Yeah.
I'm sorry I couldn't drift the 4Runner, guys. Me and Grant actually took it out in two-wheel drive earlier. It doesn't work.
Yeah.
I give up.
But
And Grant did okay on his last donuts.
yeah, you listen.
Yeah,
But-
my radiator's cracked now.
Nice.
Damn.
And your car's misfiring. Hella.
Like this video, subscribe. Thanks for watching.